Ciao a tutti e bentornati, sono Bukola. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you how to control your application, your citizenship application status online. Many people have been asking me how they can check their citizenship application online. So that's why I am making this video for you to know how you can control and check your citizenship application online, to control the status online. But before I continue this video, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and follow me on my Facebook page, Bukola Ori, and remember to turn on the post notification so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So before I start this tutorial video, I want to tell you that in case you have not applied for your citizenship, I already have a video on the requirements for the Italian citizenship, and I also talked about the B1 Italian level certificate if you'll be needing it if you want to apply for the Italian citizenship. So you can check the video out to know all the requirements needed to present the citizenship portal. So yeah, if you have to click Cittadinanza, and as you can see, there are different okay, like here c'è scritto la mia domanda cittadinanza. So if you want to if you want to apply for it online, if you want to apply for your citizenship online, you click here. Then associa pratica means that you want to join something to your application. Maybe you want to join a document, you want to send them a document or something. Then comunicazione is if you want to read their messages, like the messages they send to you, or you want to see the status of your application. You click that. So to control the status of your citizenship application, you click on comunicazione lo stato pratica. Okay, so it's going to bring you here, and because of personal reasons, I'm not going to leave the communication there for you to read. I'm going to blur everything, but this is where you see all the communication. You see the phase, the citizenship phase. If you're in phase 1, phase 2, or if they send you any communication to come to the prefettura to submit your original documents. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can send me an email, or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, grazie.